Hi everyone, my name is Amir Khan and this is my demonstrative speech. So the app I chose to talk to you about today is the Clock app. The Clock app comes standard with all Apple products and I'm pretty sure with Android products too, because it's just the Clock app. So the Clock app has 4 modes: world clock, alarm clock, stopwatch, and timer. And it's also very easy to navigate and get to know to use, so it's pretty nice. So this is very good for college students and busy people because it helps with time management. The Clock app allows you to set multiple alarms, and you can set an alarm for every class that you have, and you'll never be late. As you see on the right hand side, I have all of my alarms set for all of my classes, and it helps out a lot so I'm never late for any of my classes. So the next is lab assistance. So a lot of our labs require us to have stopwatches, so you can also use the stopwatch feature on this Clock app for that. And a cool thing they have built in is the lap button. When you press the lap button, it will mark that time you pressed it at and keep the time running so you know how long. So if you have to measure, say, a chemical reaction, you can start it once you mix the two chemicals together and click the lap button when the reaction starts, and you'll see how long it takes for the reaction to start from when you mix the two chemicals together, if that makes sense for you all. And it also helps with life skills. So since we are college students and we go to Harrisburg and they don't give out dorms, they give out apartments, we have to learn to cook. So this app will help you cook so you won't burn any of your food because it sets timers, or you can set timers on the app, and which is really nice. And you can set the timers for anything. Say you have to do another science experiment and you have to measure some or time something, this works perfectly for that situation. So overall, this Clock app is a must for anyone who has a busy schedule or is a college student because it helps you with time management and everyday basic life skills. So I recommend this app for anyone because it's made college life a lot easier, because time management is a hard thing to get to know once you're a first time college student, because everything in high school is pretty much scheduled out, planned for you. But college, you have to get on top of yourself. So this app is a lifesaver and I recommend it for everyone. So thank you for listening to my presentation, and these are my references. So have a good day and thank you. Bye.